A hotel can cost you 200 crore to build. A resort can take 10 years to design. You can hire the best architect, best interior designer. You can buy furniture from Italy. You can buy marble from Spain, artwork from France. But at the end of the day, your guest will see your hotel for the first time on mobile screen, on maximum to maximum on a magazine spread. And if there is a room which is not styled properly, that billion rupees interior look like a cheap service apartment. Styling is actually not for decoration. Styling is economics. Styling is a brand long-term perspective. Styling is the soul of hotel photography. And today in this video, we are exploring how styling transforms hotels, create desires and increase revenues, and makes your property look like $1 billion worth. Hi, I'm Atul Pratap Chauhan. For last 15 years, I have been shooting some of India's finest hotels, resort and luxury homes. From the Leela to boutique villas in Goa and wellness centers in Himalayas to restaurant by India's top leading designers. This channel is actually for architects, interior designers, hoteliers and design lovers who want to understand how spaces speaks through photography. If you love long form videos or storytelling style about design, hotel and visuals, subscribe to this channel please and welcome to a deep cinematic journey. Today we are talking about hotel styling, complete hotel styling when we actually shoot the hotels. Most people think photography is about camera, lens, tripod, composition and sometime about lighting. But in hospitality, photography is about how the space feels. And sometimes I call it complete styling in the hotel photography. And that feelings come from the styling. Styling is the difference between nice room or I want to book this room right now. Why styling matter more than expensive interiors? You can design a villa inspired by Amman, Tokyo. But if the cushions are not aligned, curtains are not steamed, mirrors have fingerprint, flowers are wilted, your space will look like a budget homestay. Trust me on this. I've seen hundreds of hotels like this. Styling does three magical things. It makes the camera understand luxury. Camera cannot interrupt ambience. Styling gives the camera clues. It creates an emotional connection. A styled room feel like a promises. It elevates even average interiors. A luxury cushion placed well on sofa can change the complete perspective. If you look at the global standard also, how the best hotel in the world use styling. Let's look at some international benchmarks. Amman Resorts completely global. Minimal styling, extreme detailing, organic materials, fresh fruit, local flowers, perfectly ironed linens. Shadows are designed deliberately. Amman actually believes simplicity is luxury. Their styling reflects calmness, geometry and mindfulness. Leela Hotels, a beautiful example from India. Warm, inviting, lifestyle forward styling, fresh flowers in every room, expensive paintings, local touch, perfect symmetry, lavish painting and huge carpets. Everywhere you see that, in every Leela, wherever you visit. I shot almost every Leela in India. Bulgari hotels. I shot one of the Bulgari hotel in Dubai. The styling, what they prefer, dark, moody, black accessories, luxury throws, lifestyle trays, polished stone with water sheen. Six Senses hotels, rustic luxury, organic textures, natural linen, handcrafted element, tropical greenery everywhere. Rosewood hotels, one of the finest hotel in the world. Residential luxury look, coffee table books, you see almost in every rooms. Fruit bowls, plush textiles. The global standard teaches one thing, luxury in the details, and styling communicate those details. When you visit Indian hospitality and you see unique kind of styling, which is like very brave and very beautiful. India has one of the richest design cultures in the world. Leela Palace, they have rich flowers, silk cushions, marble decors, heritage patterns. The Oberoi Hotel understand elegance, great service everywhere, fresh lilies, crisp white linen, minimal props. Taj Palace, cultural storytelling, brass elements, artifacts, beautiful painting with lavish frames, flowers like mogra and roses. Ras Hotels, Jodhpur, Devigarh, Chittorgarh, raw stone, contemporary styling. You notice indigo cushions, hand-woven textile, warm lanterns. Postcard hotels, one of the finest and smallest hotel in India. They are actually boutique hotels. Local baskets, hand-woven throws, fresh topical plants. India is actually visually rich. Every region give you styling possibilities. Restaurant, block prints, pottery, brass. Goa you go, cane, tropical greens, shell, rattan. Kerala, banana leaves, wooden vowels, coconut textures. Local flowers make the hotel feel authentic, not generic. When we talk about economics of styling and when we talk about, okay, hire this stylist, let's take this stylist, hotels often ask, why do we need a stylist? Is it necessary? It is worth paying extra for? Here is the truth. Styling has direct economic impact, higher ADR. Styled photos make a property look very, very premium. Hotel can charge more. Higher occupancy, beautiful images, more desire, more booking. Better visuals on the phone. Guest book directly, saving 15 to 18% on commissions. PR magazine and features. Some of the magazines, they feature, a lot of magazines, they feature the ads. Especially Elle Decor, Architecture Digest, Travel and Leisure, Condé Nast Traveler. They only publish visual styling spaces. Social media. Everywhere you go, people use social media, especially when people visit 5-star hotels and the luxury hotels. They're happy to see styled rooms, better Instagram content, organic reach. Styling cost actually not much. In my knowledge, last time we spent around 50-60,000 per day roughly on styling. But what happened? A lot of lakhs of bookings in banquets, restaurants and different kind of rooms. Return on investment, maximum 10x can go. Styling is actually not an expense, it's actually a revenue creations. There is the science and psychology behind styling. Styling affect the brain. Symmetry, comfort. Symmetry calms the people. Our brain trusts it. Clean lines, professionalism. Aligned cushions, straight curtains, looks premium. Layering is all about luxury, multiple texture, richness. This is how people feel when they visit your hotels. Natural elements, well-being. A lot of spa, they use styling. In spa, you use plant, fruit, flower, increase positive emotions everywhere. Hotels are actually not selling rooms. Hotel sells comfort, arrival, escape, fantasy. Styling create that fantasy. When we talk about the styling, now let's talk about the real masterclass. A bedroom, when you style the bedroom, layered bedsheet, duvet cover, runner, throw, pillow structures, different kind of side tables, and you keep the books on the rooms. Sometime when we set up the rooms, we remove extra menus, cards, we keep local accents, cane basket in Goa, brass plate in Rajasthan. Living rooms, sometime I use cushions arranged properly, rugs aligned, statement object, flowers arrangement, they really create a luxury in the rooms. Curtains, they are properly aligned. Bathrooms, roll towels, amenity arranged properly, you keep the fresh flowers. Sometimes you make small flower bouquets and keep in the bathrooms. Restaurant, complete table setting, napkin fold, glassware alignment, cutlery symmetry, fresh flowers, signature dish styling, add complete ambience. And sometimes we use candles also in night. Lobbies, bold flowers, huge size of flowers, hero decor, check reflections, maintain food lighting. When we shoot a hotel, food is also a very important part of that. Why food styling matter? Guests judge restaurant by images. The style dish increase desire, work for Instagram, menus and promotion. Food styling essentials, fresh ingredients, replaced wilted garnishes, style plates with height, always coordinate with chefs. Sometimes you tell a story by styling. I remember slow morning at beach resort, keep a coffee mug, book, linen throw, open curtains, soft sunlight. It's always happen when we shoot the beach hotels. Royal evening and palace hotels like Udaipur, Jaipur, Jaisalmer use lamps, silk textile, brass trays, flowers. Wellness retreat. I shot few wellness retreat in Kerala and Himalayas. We use candles, herbal tea, wooden blankets, Himalayan salt lamp, and sometimes we set up the whole restaurant from scratch. Room setups you do properly. Now we talk about the most important chapter, styling for digital platforms. Instagram, warm, moody, lifestyle emotionals, booking.com, bright, clear, white shots, Google Maps, simple functionals, hotel website, hero images, storytelling. These kind of images works very well for the hotels. YouTube, you create some videos, movement, depth, layer styling. When somebody doing a videos for the hotel, styling become very important. And I'm sure you know, in videos you can't do much editing. Styling is very important part when you do videos. You know, future of hospitality and styling. Even with AI and new cameras, human styling will remain essential. Natural textile will dominate. Local culture will matter more. People want authenticity over perfection. Lived in luxury trend is rising globally. Hotels that embrace styling will stand out in a crowded world. Styling is not extra work. Styling is not optional. Styling is actually not a decoration. Styling is the heart of hotel and resort photography. It decides how your property look online, how guests emotionally responded, how much you can charge, how quickly you get booking, whether your hotel become iconic or invisible. If you want your hotel to stand out, styling is the most powerful tool when you do photography for the complete hotel. I'm Atul, 15 years in shooting different kind of hotel resorts, India and worldwide. If you actually enjoy this video, please subscribe, leave a comment and share the feedback with me. Thank you. I'll see you in next video.